For over 30 years, Electromate has been a market leader in providing successful motion control solutions for the industrial automation industry. With over 3,000 satisfied customers, Electromate is the premier source for high-performance robotic and mechatronic solutions. We pride ourselves on providing our customers with precision technology and quality, backed by over 230 years combined engineering experience from our knowledgeable sales and customer service teams. Our core purpose is to help manufacturers compete globally by building better machines using differentiated automation technology. Our mission is to provide superior customer satisfaction backed by expert technical support, a comprehensive product selection, generous inventory levels, high-performance products, and invaluable value-added services. We are proud to be recognized as Canada's most admired corporate culture and honored to be ranked in the top 30 best workplaces in Canada. Electromate is also an ISO certified company and is lean process accredited. Contact Electromate today for your next high-performance robotic or mechatronic solution.